Hey guys, it's me Anirban and back here with another brand new video on my channel. In this video I will give you a clear idea on the fact that how basically the water purifiers that we buy, that is the Kent water purifiers or the AquaGuard or any other brand water purifiers that we generally buy, how the servicing is done after we purchase all those items, how the servicing is basically done for this kind of purifiers. In this video I will show you how the servicing process overall looks like, and so just sit back, relax, grab a cup of coffee, and without wasting any more time, let's get started. This is a regular Kent servicing process. It is almost the same for most of the RO water purifiers that we buy. For example, this one is the Kent. So at first all we need to do is to remove the external filter, that is this one, and we need to remove the main filter from inside, and here we need to rub it under running tap water, so that to remove the accumulated iron or all those particles from that filter. As you can see that this is how, by tapping the filter like this under running water, all those iron particles are getting removed like this way. And so this is the first process that we need to do, and here how they are doing, as you can see. So by tapping it, you can easily remove the iron particles that are inside the filter. This is the main filter that filters out the maximum iron particles from the water, so that the good quality water goes inside the filter. And here, as you can see, that the filter is again filled with water, and again it is fitted back in place like this. And so after that they are using a tool to tight it like this. And so this is why you should hire this kind of professional people for all those work. After that, the carbon filter is removed. Before removing it, please make sure that the pipes are opened. And okay, so this is how the carbon filter actually looks like, as you can see. And so the pipe is opened and the water is allowed to pass through the carbon filter to ensure that all those dust particles or any other harmful particles gets removed. And so again, as you can see, that this kind of tapping is done here also, to ensure that all the unwanted particles gets cleared out, because the flow of the water is very high, and that's why all the accumulated particles will surely move out from this filter. And this is how it actually works. They connected this filter with the main pipe that provides water inside the Kent filter. So from both the ends they are cleaning it. So this is how it actually works. And after that, after we need to remove all those dust particles and all those stuffs are done, then we need to open this pipe. And after that we need to use a soft cloth. Basically try to use a soft and dry cloth. And also please make sure that during this whole process the main power supply is turned off to ensure safety. And also now, after you clean the filter, that is the carbon filter or any other filter that you clean under running water, you need to rub them thoroughly using a dry cloth before installing them back inside the machine, so that no water particles are there. And as you can see that now he is connecting the pipes once again with the carbon filter, as you can see. This is how it actually looks like. And after that he is rubbing the exterior of all those things, and now he is plugging it back in. And as you can see that the main pipe is not yet connected with the main motor, This is because to ensure that the water supply is alright. As you can see that the water is now dripping, as you can see, and after the flow becomes a little bit steady, he will install that or fit that pipe back inside that motor. As you can see that the steel one is the actual motor that provides that UV radiation, so that as we all know that RO purifiers actually work like this way, and that steel filter is the actual one. And basically in this whole servicing process only two filters are cleaned properly, that is the exterior filter and the inside carbon filter. These two are mainly washed and cleaned properly during the servicing process, because these two filters play the major role. Here as you can see that after the water flow becomes a little bit steady, he fitted it with the main motor. As you can see that after everything is done, please make sure that all the pipes are checked properly and they are fitted properly, because if any of the pipes are loosely connected or something like that, then the flow of water will be very less and you will not be able to get a proper servicing or all those stuffs like that. And here after that everything is done. Now the exterior outer cover is properly cleaned and now it is fitted back in place, as you can see, with the help of the screws. And here as you can see that he is installing it back. So the most important thing is that please, after all those thing is done, please make sure that all the pipes are fitted properly, because everything will work, but if the pipes are not fitted properly or they are loosely connected, then you will not get a proper steady flow of water, as you can see. And this is almost the same for all the other purifiers too as well, that is the RO purifiers. The servicing process is more or less similar in all those cases. You get two types of filters here, as you can see. Okay, so this is how it all looks like, and after all those things are over, finally the whole purifier is wiped with a dry cloth to ensure that there is no smudges, etc.
If you guys liked and enjoyed this video and found this video helpful, please make sure to hit that subscribe button and share this video as much as you can. And thanks for watching, and see you guys in the next one.